Hi everybody, Keith Jones behind the binoculars here for Tuesday, January the 8th. Still a lot of cloud cover today. The rain has moved out, and I think we're going to expect warmer temperatures as we move through the afternoon. Might get some sunshine. The track probably starts as good today. Let's take a look at races 3 and 9 on the program today. Now I'm going to be offering you a shorter priced horse back in the 9th race. And I don't usually do those short-priced horses, but there's somebody I do want to point out in the 9th race today. So let's take a shot in the 3rd race. Now it's a 1 mile and 1/16th claiming race for horses entered here for a price of $10,000. And opening up at 12 to 1 as part of the Marty Woodhouse entry is number 1, Cheddar Chub. And I think Cheddar Chub is an interesting horse. Larry Pinheiro will be on board. Now the last couple of starts went in for 10,000. Cheddar Chub was very competitive and also put up some numbers that indicate that he should be competitive with this type of company. Now the race in between was for 16,000, had a terrible post and was a long shot that day and did not fare well, but the other two races I mentioned were both good. Now the recent start on the 29th of October had a chance to set the pace and then ended up weakening late to finish 3rd that day. I think Cheddar Chub would do better work from being just off the pace, and I think that scenario sets up for him today. Now the race back on the 14th of October, when he did have a chance to sit close up, did rally to get the victory at a price of 23 to 1. And again, his numbers would indicate that if he can run back to either one of those two races when in for 10,000 the last two, he should have an opportunity to maybe pull an upset here. So let's hope that somebody else makes the lead here. The Cheddar Chub has a chance to sit a good inside trip from just off the pace and maybe spring a little bit of an upset. Race number 3, let's take a shot with the 12 to 1 shot, number 1, Cheddar Chub. Now the 9th race, an optional claimer at 7 furlongs. I like the horse that opens up here at 6 to 5. That's number 2, It's Good to Be Us. Out at the John Service Barn, recently turned 3 to a 4-year-old and is absolutely meant to be a good horse. He's a son of top sire Tappet, sold for $650,000 at the sale, and he put up some terrific races as a 3-year-old, made only 3 starts in his 3-year-old season, won 2 of those. The last one was back in June when he put up a 91 buyer figure. He sat out since June. I'm not concerned about the layoff. He's a very talented horse. His works coming into the race are outstanding. I don't think you're going to get a big price, but I think this is a very talented horse. I think his opportunity to get it done today, if you want to do it in the doubles or mix it up somehow in the exactas and see if you can't get some value that way, I think he looks very solid. Let's try number 2, It's Good to Be Us, in race number 9 today. Good luck.